We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass and I'm working with a Lexmark CX417de. So first thing, you want to open this top hatch here and then get your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. You want to put the glass cleaner on the lint-free cloth. You never want to apply it directly to the glass. Go ahead and give it a good cleaning. Sometimes you might see pen or white out on the glass. If you do, go ahead and clean it again. If you're seeing more issues when you're using the top feeder, go ahead and focus more on this little piece of glass. If you're using the flatbed, of course you'd want to focus on the bigger piece of glass. If you guys are seeing lots of defects, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.